Hello dear traders, here one more time Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. Today we're gonna talking about what is a CFD, contract for different. What is, how we use it, the good stuff, the bad stuff, and why is in Etoro, and also that is not allowed to use it in America. So let's begin. First of all, what is a CFD? Like the name say from the English, is writing contract for difference. It's just a contract who give you the rights to speculate in an instrument of trading instrument, an investing instrument, and get a profit for the achieve the goal of buy or sell. Let's make more simple. The CFD have the good quality that you can go long in an instrument that is follow, because it's just one contract who follow the movement of one instrument, and also give you the chance to also go short, to sell an instrument, and also make money by going short, by the price fall. It means give you the chance to sell even without use the options. Really, it's a nice stuff to use it, and the nice also is that don't have a expire date, so that's also very interesting. In Europe they are very used, and still now the bank are steady the way how they also come in and speculate in the CFD market, because it's a market working out of the real market. It's an OTC market, so normally it's one contract that you do it with your own broker and follow the real movement of the market, but it's not the real market. Normally the CFD is contract that do it the market makers. Now I will explain you now everything on. So let's start. The good stuff have a CFD. So the contract of different, the good stuff they have it is that you can use leverage for a very low commission. It means you can put the value of your money even 30 times the value of your money. Let me explain again. You can make your money value till 30 times the amount you have it. Let's make you trade with $1,000. You can make this $1,000 have the exposition in the market of $30,000. So in this stuff is very nice. You can use you can have your money more power of buy, more buy power. So that's really great. The cons of this is that you also can lose a lot of money, because too much power is very easy to go wrong and hit your stop loss and lot of money. The second stuff interesting is that you can go long and short in the same time. You can trade both in the same time. You can go long in one instrument and also go short in the same instrument in the same moment. So that's also very nice. You can cover yourself like this. You can choose, example in Etoro, you can really choose which kind of leverage you want to use immediately in the platform. That's also what I like from Etoro. So let's say we want to buy the gold. Normally the price we see here in the gold is the future price of the gold. Etoro don't have the futures but have the CFD. So we can trade the price of the gold just by click trade. We can choose the leverage we want to trade. If we choose X1, the minimum amount to trade is $1,000. Then you have a margin of $500. You can put only stop loss till a 50%, because the other 50% is for the margin call. And you can put the take profit till much you want it. Then if you now, let's say we put the leverage X20, means 20 times the value of your money, the power of your money, you have now one exposure of 20,000 with just $1,000 invested. That makes you to pay a small commission that you need to pay every day, because this money that you have exposition here in leverage is a borrow money to give you the broker to trade. So that's also nice stuff. Have his cons, how I said you also have a big exposure in the market if the market go against you. Every broker who give you a CFD, it's a market maker. Don't exist a CFD that is not a market maker, but they have two chances to avoid that. What is a market maker? First of all, market makers mean that they are who bet against you. If you choose to buy gold because you think they're gonna go up, they are who thinking they're gonna go down in the same moment. So they gonna be, if you win, they lose. The only way they have for avoid that one is they also make the same operation in the real market for you. So they do it also like this. You trade the CFD and they are trading the real market in the same operation you do it. Then they cover themselves like that in case the market go in your right and in the wrong. Like this, they only make money by the commissions. That's what do it a good market maker. Exists other who don't do that, and exists other who have double list. If you're a very good trader, they put you in the list A, and they pass your operation also in the live market, in the real market. And exists who make you in the list B, and if you are not a good trader, they always go against you. Like this, they can make more money. So second step we could do with CFD is that we have access to any market, forex, commodities, stocks, ETF. Like now in Etoro, we can buy only ETF by CFD because their new regulation in Europe make not allowed to trade ETF, American ETF. So we can trade only in CFD. It's okay, important we can trade them because they are really interesting instrument to trade. So other stuff important then give you the chance, the CFD, that you can go long on short. You can go long and short in the same time. That's all the good stuff. Have it. The very bad stuff that have the CFD is the next what I'm gonna say you just now. Is that if the broker go in bankruptcy, you will lose the own of that CFD. Let's say an example, you buy a CFD of one stock. We bought the CFD of an Apple. Now, okay, Etoro have a real stocks, but if you are from Australia, you have CFD only. So let's say that ETF are in both in CFD. So let's say we want to buy the SPI, the ETF that follow the SP 500. We bought one stock of it in CFD. We can trade him if the price go up. If the price go up, we can make money. If we sell him, if the price go down, we can make money. That's good. But if the broker go in bankruptcy, you will lose the ownership of that CFD because it's just a contract between you and the broker. So you don't own really that ETF. You own just a contract for that ETF. Then, if the broker go bankruptcy, you cannot pass that contract to another broker or to your bank. That's the bad stuff that have the CFD. The good, that all these good brokers that have a good regulation like CNMV, like the English regulation, like CSEC regulation in Cyprus. So all these brokers are very regulated and they have an insurance. It means if they go bankruptcy, instead of give you the rights to buy again that CFD in other broker, they give you back the money that you have invested in that one. Let's say you have invested 379 at the moment and the price go up 340, they will give you up 340. The price go down to 300, they're gonna give you back 300. Some brokers have insurance till 50,000, other till 80,000. At the moment, Etoro make one new one till 1 million. So you are covered till that amount of money, have the insurance. So the nice, how I tell you, you have leverage, you can buy and sell in the same time, you can go long, go short, you can give more power to your money, but the wrong is the bad stuff that have it is that you can lose a lot of money because leverage is dangerous. You can you don't own the real instrument. Only stocks in Europe we can own real one. It means if the broker go bankruptcy, we can send to another broker or to a bank. And that this market is not regulated. I just say you, the market of CFD is not regulated. The brokers are regulated, but the market no. So thank you that we have the broker regulate. We have some insurance on it that they will agree. They will respect the contracts. But the market of CSD working in OTC is a market that is not in the real market. That's you have to have real clear. It's very nice instrument to use it for speculate in the movement of the price. But if you want to own stocks, you can use or Etoro from European regulation that have real stocks. Then you can own them, or you can buy in a bank or in other broker who have real stocks. CFD are made specially for speculation of the price. You need to have this real clear. I hope in the future maybe Etoro will start make also futures, real future. I will be very happy to trade future, to make maybe option also. So let's see if they will increase that chance on that that tools of instrument that we can use for trade the market. So I hope is you have clear now what is a CFD, just a contract between you and the broker for speculate in the price of one instrument. You don't buy the real instrument, only the stocks are in real in Etoro. That's it. So I hope you like the video. You have question, comment me down below. If you really like, the only stuff I ask you to do is please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Is the best you can do for help this community to grow and achieve the goal to arrive to more people for helping also them. And that's everything for today. See you next time. Ciao guys.